Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My company is Biosa Technologies, and I'm Dr. Nick Lidra. My company really began in 2017 when my mom suffered a terrible brain hemorrhage. Later that year, she came home and she was supported by personal support workers. However, we found out that these personal support workers were transmitting infection back and forth, and they were having to reuse their PPE, gloves and masks. So we identified two major problems. First, that there was a lack of efficacy in the PPE, and second, there was a lack of PPE raw materials. So thus, we created Biosa next generation antiviral materials for PPE. So our solution are twofold. First, an antiviral coating that can be coated directly onto PPE, sprayed on, and the second is antiviral raw materials that can be non-woven and then finished by another manufacturer. Our value proposition is we provide military-grade PPE that's non-toxic, antimicrobial, made in Canada and at a low cost. Our primary market is medical grade, hospitals and dentists. Included in that is also the military, and then the consumer grade PPE for the general public. Our traction began in 2018 when we secured a contract with the Canadian Department of Defense. They liked our product so much that they recommended us to the Canadian Navy, and we garnered $425,000 in revenue. Going towards COVID-19, we successfully integrated into the supply chain, and right now we're partnering with existing manufacturers to have an ongoing revenue of $30,000 per month. Our team is myself and my VP of Finance, VP of Operations, as well as scientific staff and logistics. If we were to win LiONS LAIR, we would help to speed up going to market, so increase of manufacturing, as well as growth and expansion. We scored excellent on all three of our LiONS LAIR business scores, and the feedback we used from those interviews we put back into this presentation to help us out. Once again, thank you very much. I'm Dr. Nick Lidra, and my company is Biosa Technologies.